Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make sports logo design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start the tutorial. Select rectangle tool, and make a bat shape with it. Color it as you want in your design. Now select again rectangle tool and make bat hand with it. Color it white. Align both files in center. Now select direct selection tool and select the last two anchor points, and round it. Do the same process with all. Select both files and rotate. Select pen tool and make a crack shape with it. Select both files and select Shape Builder and delete parts without button. Select pen tool again and make a bat side dark shapes. Select both and delete extra shapes with Shape Builder. Do the same process again with that hand. Select ellipse tool and make perfect circle. Make 2 copies with circle. Select left and right shape and press Ctrl plus Alt plus right square bracket. Then your shapes come in front. Select files and delete extra shapes with Shape Builder tool. Now color left and right shape. Ball shape is ready. Make a line with pen tool, size it 3% and go to width profile and select profile 1. Copy it. Select both lines and click your mouse right button, go to transform panel and go to reflect, check in horizontal and copy it. Now drag it down and adjust both lines. select lines, go to object and click on expand appearance. Fill gradient color in it. Now write text. I'm using Ferro Rosso font. I'm using two colors in my text that's make a perfect design and eye-catchy look. Now align with background. Now the logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.